name's Lorraine and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall Online, where I upload reviews of digital products that are launching. Now today we're going to take a look at a product called VidProposal, and this product is brought to you from the desk of Napier. Basically, it's a training and software product that creates video proposals, which means it's like a shortcut to the lengthy face-to-face or contracts that are created over Zoom or by email. So what I'll be showing you today is we'll take a look at the sales page, and then we'll take a look at my bonus page and the funnel prices. There's the demo video and the sales video on my bonus page, and you'll find the link to my bonus page in the description below this video. We'll also take a look at the 4 special bonuses I have available when you purchase VidProposal through my link. Okay. So here we are on the sales page of VidProposals. And basically what it is, it's a software that you can use to grow your business by turning prospects or leads into clients and getting your contract signed quicker and easier than ever before by using this software which can be created through videos. And we'll just have a look at the claims that the vendors making. 100% beginner friendly, and it's fully cloud based. You can create professional video proposals that your prospects can e-sign. Ready-made and done for you proposal templates are included in the software. You can host all your proposals on the cloud, create custom thank you pages, and celebrate a new deal. This built-in video creator lets you record using a camera, screen or both. You can insert a call to action inside the videos with a point and click simplicity. You can get notified when the client fills a contract, and there is also a commercial license which you then can sell the video proposals as a service and make a profit on. So that is some of the claims. Now this product is actually launching 6th of July, 11 AM at Eastern Time and New York time. Let's have a quick look at some of the other claims here. Obviously these are where you can insert signatures, which we just talked about. I mean, obviously, we all know that in 2020 things were closed down. A lot of businesses couldn't function normally. And so this is on the back of everything that's happened through the 2020, the COVID and all these lockdowns, just making things simpler. Right, so now we go and have a look at my bonus page for VidProposal. I have the demo video here, which is 3 minutes long, so we can have a quick look at this.
Hello and welcome to the demo of VidProposals. We built this solution to make it easy for business owners like you to find, prospect and close leads. With VidProposals, you can offer personalized videos and contracts. Once accepted, your client can sign them and we track everything. This is how you use VidProposals. Step 1. Log into your dashboard and start creating your first video proposal. There are 2 ways to create a proposal. You can start from scratch and use our video recorder to record a video. This can be on camera, on screen, or a mix of both. And you can do that with the Chrome extension we provide you. For best results, I like a mix of both, so I can personalize my proposal. Usually, in these videos, I talk about how I can help my client's business. Alternatively, you can also use one of our preset templates. With an easy search feature, you can find the proposal that works for you. You can search for the niche and/or the service type. Our team has created many of these proposals for you. In fact, as you can see, we have also created professionally recorded videos that help point out the problems that your prospects are currently facing. These videos then help highlight how you, as a service provider, can solve these problems. These templates also have ready-to-go proposals or contracts you can use. With our built-in editor, you can edit these contracts as you want. Insert additional videos, images, text, and even customize your pricing. In fact, you can even embed external links and calendar links here. Everything you need to make your proposals interactive and ready to be signed. Now let's go into step number 2. This is the easy part. You can share this proposal with your prospect. You can even embed it on your website if you wish. You can add a custom thumbnail as well as a call to action in your videos. Now here's the best bit. With VidProposals, you can collect e-signatures from your clients. In fact, once you share the proposal with a client, this is what it looks like to them. Your client can review the proposal and sign it. Once they do, you get a confirmation, but not just an email confirmation. VidProposals locks in the contract, so neither you nor your client can make any further changes. They can also download this contract, and so can you. On your end, you can see the client's signature, the date of signature, the email, and the IP address. You also see a confirmation of the total proposal value, which for you is a sale. Now here's step number 3. In this step, we will help you find prospects. It is possible that you already have prospects in mind, which is great. But if you don't, you can use our Lead Gen Deal app to generate leads from anywhere in the world. Simply pick a niche and add a location. So you can search for real estate leads in New York or restaurant leads in Los Angeles or in London, anywhere else. This app will help you instantly find leads that you can reach out to and close. VidProposals and Lead Gen Deal apps combined give you leads and an ability to close these leads professionally. No need to go back and forth over emails with misplaced documents and contracts. It is now time for you to use VidProposals to streamline your business.
So that's the quick demo of VidProposals. Now we can take a quick look at the funnel. So first of all, you've got VidProposals Basic, which is selling at $37, and you've got a lot of different items within that, obviously all of what we've just talked about. And then you've got VidProposals Elite, which is selling at $47, which is creating more proposals and all of what's in the basic version. VidProposals Unlimited, $97 a year, or $197 one time. And obviously unlimited proposals, unlimited video hosting, unlimited leads every day, dedicated lead gen, 4 video proposals, password protection, unlimited video channels, and all future updates including, and the 24/7 support. So one-time offer, the Video Proposals Deluxe, $69, 100 more video templates and more proposal templates. Video Proposals Business, $59, reseller license, done-for-you lead magnets, done-for-you business website, custom PayPal checkout integration, allow business clients to schedule appointments, all website pages created with content, and featured samples of business services is added, and business client testimonials. And the offer number 4 is VidProposals White Label Agency. So if you're a web agency or marketing or advertising, then this means you can rebrand VidProposals, change the thumbnail of the video, change the logo on the proposal landing page, change the favicon, change the background image on the proposal landing page, create custom subdomains, and you get 200 sub-accounts. But that feature's not added until later in July. So that is basically VidProposals. Like I say, launching 6th of July, 11 AM New York time. Now, if all of these buttons here on my bonus page, which you'll find the link below the video in the description, you can go straight through to the sales page to purchase, grab VidProposal. So my bonuses that I have for you is the 0-hour work week, which is a video training, and it's all about different traffic methods, where you've got free traffic methods and paid traffic methods, and a lot of other hacks and tips included in the video training. Bonus number 2 is access to how to write headlines that sell, Bonus number 3 is launch jacking domination. Again, this is a video training and a guide to how to start launch jacking. And bonus number 4 is access to 500 royalty-free background music tracks. So that is all of the bonuses I have with VidProposal when you purchase through my bonus page link. And you can subscribe to my channel on YouTube, which is Lorraine Marshall Online, and my website is makemoneyonline-niches.com. So this is the review for today, and I'll see you on the next review. Bye for now.